Okay, so what we're going to do here is do some multi-level sorting using Excel tables. Don't forget that this currently is what's called a range of information. It's not a table. To convert it to a table, you need to go to Insert at the top here and then Table, and you'll see that the software highlights the whole area. If it doesn't, you'd have to select it. And then there's this area here that says My Table has headers. That means that your table has these headings for each column, and each of these is a field, but these are the headings for the columns. Okay, so you just go OK, and you see what happens is that it styles it for you, which is very nice of it. If you want to, you can change the style. You can quick styles here. You can have any of these that you want. Let's choose I don't know, let's choose the one we had probably, and you can see that it's changed slightly in that the heading row has got these little pull down arrows. Means that you can go and sort by last name, Z to A, or A to Z, first name accordingly, date of birth, newest to oldest, or oldest to newest, and by position. So you can do A to Z. There you've got the bosses, the interns, managers, the workers, etc. Okay, but what we can't do is sort it by interns and then by alphabetical order of last name, because if you then go to A to Z, it does all of them, which is a little bit frustrating. But there is a way around that. Okay, so you need to click somewhere in the table and go up to Data, and you can see Sort. Okay, you can click on Sort and it brings up this dialog box, and you can put multiple levels into here. Currently it's sorting by last name, but we don't want to sort it first by last name. We want to have the position sorted first, A to Z. Then we want to add a level and say I actually now want the last name sorted A to Z, and then the first name sorted A to Z, and then if there's anything left over, the date of birth sorted oldest to newest. You can pull that down and choose that way round as well. So we choose OK, and there we get this multi-level sort. Well, we have the boss of all the bosses, alphabetical order of last name, and you can see them all here, all lined up, ready for you to work with. The workers, you see, we start with Flynn, end in Truman. Now if we had another entry who was another Truman, for example, who was this time his name is John, okay, and his birth date is I don't know, 9795, and he's a worker too. Actually, that's in the right order, so we don't want. Let's choose one that is J A. Jade. There we go. Jade. That'll do. Jade Truman. She. Just sudden sex change. She is in the wrong order now. So all we have to do is go up to the sort again and click OK, and you can see it switches over. So you get it in order of boss. So the position, alphabetical order of the last names, and then alphabetical order of the first names if they happen to have the same last name. Okay, so that's essentially how you do multi-level sorts.